starting back on the 650 John Deere, the compact. It's like a 84, 85 after running the pen. Um, the last time that you saw it, we discovered together that it had some broke rings and possibly a blown head gasket. The head gasket wasn't looking real good. So now, uh, in the middle of editing everything and all that sort of stuff, I lost the original intro that I had filmed for this. So this is the new intro, and I'm sure it probably sucks, but here we go. I ordered a rebuild kit. Somehow I missed putting the rings on the pistons and the connecting rods into the pistons. All that's been done, so now we're fixing to be going back together with the little engine that could possibly. So hang out. We'll see what we got.
There you go. Let's tear down! Alrighty, so now, whoop, watch out, Charlie. I'm gonna get us a fresh, clean rag. We'll put us some oil on those cylinder walls. Just kind of work it around in there. I know you can't see. Many apologies. We just want to lube them walls up a little bit. All the way around good. Yep. Looks nice. There it is. Now, we'll get some crank bearings. We'll get some rod bearings put in place. Get these rod caps on there and torque down. Alright. Now we're going to slip some rod bearings in. Cap bearings, if you will. Whatever you like to call it. I'm okay with it. Get up in there. Torque wrench engaged. Probably should have started with a regular ratchet, but we're in torque mode now. And grab the torque wrench. Now I've got it set. It said 33 to 35, or excuse me, 33 to 36. So I've got it set on 35. Huh. So what did it say it needs? All right, so we're on location and we're gonna see how well this thing performs with a 5-foot bush hog behind it. Basically, I'm just wanting to seat the rings, get them good and hot, and make sure we don't have any more engine problems before we jump off into the 4-wheel drive. So, buddy mine's got about a half acre or so back here. I'm gonna mow it real quick and just see how the tractor does. Call that a success.